Say something about...
We can go quite because the people
right.
Us.
Okay.
So we are coming here today to demonstrate to see what the refugee need exactly here. The people, they are coming here because they are coming the war, they are coming from the genocide, and now you see they are coming after the government decide they are migrant workers, they are criminal, they are cancer, and this is all is media propaganda over for the refugee, and we need to tell them we are refugee, we are need protection, we are not criminals, and just when we get the peace we can go our country.
And what is the solution that you offer?
The solution, the government should know the people they are survivors of the genocide, so they are escape from war. They are looking for the place to save it until they go back. They are not criminals, they are not have anything against the state. Government should deal with the case, however, the people they are. They are migrant workers, asylum seekers, they are refugees. Even they are not checked out, but they are take the place, all of them they are criminals. And so this is the media propaganda of the government.
And what do you feel about what happened now in the neighborhood with the people, you know?
The neighborhood already they are with us together in this demonstration, and we get meeting together and we decide. We are not have problem each other between the neighborhood and the refugee, but we are all the problem with the government can solve the problem because he brings the people and let them and bring them the visa is return conditional release and not have right, and that's why people they are staying one place because they are don't have